Okay, so let me give an example that I know you're familiar with to make this thing real clear. Do you have a credit card, or how have you ever used a credit card? Okay, so let's just say that you have a credit card, and we know that credit cards have very high interest rates. I've seen, had a conversation with someone fairly recently, and their interest rate was 29.9% on their credit card. Well, who gets paid that 29%? The bank. Oh my God. So I asked them, are you also making 29%, or are you just paying out 29%? Well, they said, well, I'm just paying out 29%. And I asked a simple question, why? Why are you paying out 29% and you're not paying that to yourself? Why don't you reverse engineer that process and learn the art and science of paying that interest to yourself? And they said, well, I don't know how. So that's why you're talking with me. So we want to take the same schematic, if you will, or the same blueprint of how a credit card works, and then to create arbitrage through cash value life insurance to literally use a policy just like you would use a credit card, but you're not going in and out of it with the same frequency. So let's walk through this. We know that at a particular rate of interest, if you have a credit card that's, let's use an easy number of $25,000. Okay, we know that at a certain interest rate, that money is going to double on behalf and benefit to the bank, right? Because the interest is creating that profit for the bank. And then when payments are made, the bank takes those payments and then they buy or loan out more money, creating more rate of return. Again, their whole energy and philosophy about focusing on doubling the money. We want to do the exact same thing. And this is the reason why recycling and recapturing, because that's really what a credit card does. It recycles and it recaptures, but you are the payer. So how can you create a cash value life insurance policy, structure it so that I can use it to over time replace my credit card and begin the process of recycling those dollars back to myself?